Hi everyone, we're going to determine whether two triangles are similar, not similar, or cannot be determined from the information given. So for number 9, for these two to be similar, we have to have two angles that are congruent. So I'm going to figure out what this angle is here, or you could figure out what this one is. So I'm going to take 180 minus 92 minus 41 and see what we get. We're going to get 180 minus 92 minus 41. That gives us 47. So this would be 47 degrees, and we need a 57. So we need the angles to match up. So this one's a no, not similar. The next one, we have these two angles that are similar, or that are congruent. So let's look at this first one this time. So I'm going to take 180 degrees minus 77 minus 48 and see what I get. 180 minus 77 minus 48, that gives me 55. So this would be 55. And since it matches that, we have two angles that are congruent. That means the triangles are similar. In fact, this angle would have to be 77 due to the triangle sum theorem. And the next one, let's see. Let's see if we get a 43 here and see what happens. So 180 minus 70 minus 67. And if you do that, 180 minus 70 minus 67, you get 43. But that's all we have. So we know that only one angle is congruent, but I don't have enough information here to determine if they're similar. So this is not similar. You need at least two angles for them to be similar. Now this one, we have an angle here that is congruent. So let's go do it on this side. Angle C is congruent to angle F. Now, necessarily, since these two sides are congruent, that means these angles are also congruent. This is an isosceles right triangle. So I know, since these two sides are angles are congruent, these are both 45 degrees. And I also know from here, these two angles are 45 degrees. So that means these two triangles are similar. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.